I don't know kung makaka-relate din si Vinyas dito. Pero, hate na hate ko talaga yung mahaba yung roots, te. Alam mo yan. Like,
Why?
cause for me, like,
Mahaba yung roots?
Oo.
Ibig sabihin may black?
oh, hindi,
Or, pero
parang-
like pag ganito,
Ito
hate
carry
mo to.
pa eh. Carry
Oo.
pa to eh.
like, why would you even want a wig that looks like inexpensive? Kasi parang tumubo na yung buhok mo, tapos hindi mo lang napakula.
Naalala mo dati yung mga, nauuso pa lang yung mga lace front. Laging may mahaba yung roots. Tapos yun yung mga murang
Oo,
lace front.
murot siya.
Like, ganun
Kung ano
yung
yung
vibe.
gray. Yung gray na mahaba yung... So, sabi ko, oh my gosh, everyone owns this. Kaya ayoko ng mga ganyang wigel.
Hindi rin
Kasi-
siya mukhang natural.
Oo, tsaka parang mukha siyang hindi... I don't know.
Ako, I love...
Kachupan. Okay,
I know,
magdala ako
I
better.
love-
Magdala ako better
Hey, iba
term.
rin naman ako. I love wigs na may roots.
Bit ko naman.
Bet rin namin may roots.
So,
Ah,
dapat
okay.
maikli siya.
Maigsi.
ganito, yan, carry
Oo,
yan. Or
kasi,
mas
maikli.
Pag mas mahaba, mukha siyang parang, oh my gosh, you don't have time to color your hair. Kaya parang hindi ka nagpapakulay. Ang
Oh,
haba na
yeah. Gets.
It's an expensive dye job pag maikli lang yung roots.
For me, kapag properly blended siya, it's okay. Pero pag like yung black, tapos biglang blonde, ganon, yun yung medyo icky